shop was there. He wanted that shop to be there only at itself.
Okay.
So the builder told, "Nahi, it is not in my hands because the plan how it comes up I don't know." He wanted the shop there. That is why he was fighting.
Okay.
The day he told, फिर उसके बाद he started telling that I want half the shop there, and you break inside, break everybody's house, and let my shop be there. That is not possible. How can it be possible breaking all the people's houses and keeping your shop there? So first thing he broke the shop. उसके बाद I was the only person first to break my shop personally standing there. They came out, they started abusing me, giving back. Not me, but directly, indirectly they were starting. So I called my people also. I told, ठीक है, I'm breaking my house, no? I want the things should go out. मेरे को डेवलपमेंट चाहिए, इसलिए मैंने किया उसको. Who are you all to mean stop me? और क्यों? If I'm getting it, मेरे को मालूम है मुझे यहाँ दुकान मिलेगा, घर मिलेगा, कुछ भी मिलेगा तो अच्छा है. Why should it not go? अभी तुम्हारा मतलब के लिए मैं अपना बलि क्यों दूंगा? It is not possible. ये हो नहीं सकता. Because मैंने बिल्डर के साथ में और इनके साथ में बहुत समझाया. We had everything कि भाई इतना पैसा ये देना है इनको शॉप, मगर 44 के ऊपर कैसे देगा बिल्डर? How it is not possible? Sir, is it possible? 44 there are 44 in the annexure 3.
टू एनेक्शन टू
Annexure 3 में भी है.
टू में है पहले से ना लेकर
44 and 3 apatras. So the builder cannot give them three flats or 2 flats more. It is not possible. The problem is there. The interest is vested in that. कि उनको तीन चाहिए, हमारा परिवार बड़ा है इसलिए तुमको 3 चाहिए. हमने ऊपर नीचे बनाया इसलिए हमको 2 चाहिए. So that is the thing.
So when was the up and down thing, that, like you're saying, they had built up,
Illegal extensions were done recently. I think Anita's was
After
done
the
around
one-
After 12,
after the election, they had done
3 years ago. Everybody
13,
2 years ago.
13 and 14.
October 2nd, 2014.
and as per the law,
They're not allowed. It's illegal.
There was a notice kept that the status quo has to be maintained.
they have not a stay order, there was status quo to be maintained both by the builder as well as the site. So on our part, we have observed. They didn't follow it. As soon as the election, encroachment started. Everybody started renting the houses.
Exactly. It wasn't even
That's
like they were
the
doing it
thing.
to make their house
We are the
bigger or something.
sufferers
They
over
were
there.
doing it to earn.
My house, if you would have seen before the demolition, it was just as it is. College.
all of us didn't, nobody gave anything.
Yeah, that's the other man. And nobody gave rent. See,
It was all locked and
I've
kept empty.
taken locked the doors.
They gave Michael also a hard time. Even he stood there to break his own house.
House, they didn't lock me. They brought all those ladies.
They brought
that-
ladies from outside. They were abusing.
to
They
harass
were
me and my son and my wife.
even
Yeah.
Ronnie, who's not
One
present here
thing
today,
I want to
even
tell you,
he
this-
stood and broke
this
his own
Anita,
house.
he is my nephew's wife. They all are still abusing me when I go to work. Bread, this thing, so much this thing is making out.
Yeah, abusing
I-
us, when
I
I-
am mentally
Most
as
of
well
the
as
Catholics are from our family.
Our family, I'll tell you.
family.
It's our family.
Is
It's
it
family.
you are all family?
Everyone
Related.
You are related.
But
Dennis chairman,
That's
because of the this thing, the Western interest. I forget. I don't mind whatever they do. But what is that? It became difficult for me. Like I'm a senior citizen. Going on a builder ka builder just start abuse wrong abuse. That is very bad. No. You have your this thing.
You can ask them just 3 questions.
Yeah.
First question is that whether you were served notices or not.
Yeah.
First thing, after the 29th February demolition, there were served notices. I was also, everybody got 48 hours notice. First you got
The
one
final
notice,
notice is
you got second notice. If the notice was heeded to, then this problem would have not taken place. Even when the cross thing came to me, WhatsApp came of the cross, people sent me, I said, do you know the truth? I sent people the same message, do you know the truth? If the demolition was peaceful, that cross would have not fallen down. Because the BMC people do not know, because the house was such and the cross is behind.
And the cross actually, Juliana, you
It was
remember?
tilted,
It was
tilted.
slightly tilted.
It's okay,
But then
I'm just saying.
in the morning it was falling down.
Correct.
Falling down 9 o'clock. I went
Because
there.
then
My
actually we had-
point is that if the 48 hours notice was
And they have
given,
deliberately done it, sir.
Yeah,
Can you have just one
Deliberately
person?
done the cross.
Can you have just one person
One
so that
second.
we can go
Yeah,
towards
Thomas,
something that is
Thomas.
more directed?
Yeah.
so my main is that if the 48 hours notice was given from 29 February till the date of demolition, April somewhere we had 2-3 houses demolished.
Yeah.
That time also they attacked her because she was just standing there.
Okay.
To remove
I
the
should know. And then other one side, his brother was there, his wife is there, they saved her.
Who,
Those people.
Okay.
Okay, they attacked her. They were about to hit her and all that.
Yeah.
You all are getting a house and they are coming to and you all are standing and looking at us.
Okay, Tamil, sir, for the record, would you like to describe who's that? When you keep saying they, would you be specific?
No, she will tell. Because I was not there that day. She was
They
there.
means Banu.
That is
Iqbal
Iqbal Patel's
Patel's
and
sister.
Rafiq Mulla's sister.
Yeah, and Rafiq Patel's sister.
Okay.
Because I was standing there and just watching.
Yeah.
They are telling that तुम इधर रहता नहीं, इधर आने का नहीं, इधर पैर नहीं रखने का. So I just asked you, तुम लोग खरीद लिया है क्या पूरा Fernandez का? तो say हाँ हम लोग खरीद लिया, इधर आने का नहीं. And she came with a chest forward just to come on my body to hit me. And that is when this Clara, that is Simon Malabar,
That one's sister-in-law.
sister-in-law came in front to shield me.
Okay.
So almost they are acting like gundas over there.
That's also why I kept private security. It's because they used to harass Shakuntala as well.
Still
Shakuntala
harass
madam, they still harass them. They still harass my tenants who are staying in the
that was-
transit camp and cooperating with me. They're getting harassed on a regular basis by people who don't live there even.
You had two more observations you wanted to play with us just now.
Yeah, the first was that, no, that
The first one,
the
would you like-
court order.
Yeah.
If they would have, they say that we in the YouTube and all that, they have said we do not have any notices and all that.
Okay.
Correct? No. If the notices are not there, how the people will come and demolish it?
Okay.
Okay. And second thing, if the
Yeah.
peaceful demolition was there, okay, because I was standing when we were all were there. Most of the people were there because our developer, this Emilda told us, you remain there. So that they won't put any false allegations against all of them. So we were standing there and the demolition was taking place. All the houses were emptied. All the luggages were taken in the tempo. Okay. And how, I don't know from where. Now allegations they can put anything. Today I can also, my 5 lakhs, my house also was getting demolished that day. I was also standing there because I said let my house also demolish. Let me see the last, I was standing there and seeing my house getting demolished. Okay. We did not protest there. So by saying anything, anything can happen. They were saying my valuables are lost and all that. Okay, I don't think so. It is that. That is the truth. That is the second thing.
Right.
Correct. No, and third thing about the cross. Like if the demolition was peaceful, this cross would have not fallen down because the cross is behind of the house. When they were doing this fell down and it fell down.
There was
It didn't
one-
fall down. It was
Tilted,
slightly
tilted.
tilted. But in the morning, early morning, it was already
Somebody put it
fallen
down.
down.
Yeah, I saw from the transit cam, it was just tilted at one
No, because
side.
I mentioned to the
Yeah,
contractors that
but-
be careful. So accidentally, I think the JCB slightly touched it, but then they stopped it. But it was only tilted. But in the morning, it
9
was.
o'clock, I'd been there at the
And
site.
one more thing,
Mr.
one more thing,
Shelar.
sir.
Okay.
And
You came in there.
and Mr. Shelar and I was there at the time. And at 9 o'clock, it was just tilted there. And then Tabarta Hamla ne bula ke we just repaired it and we made it
Okay, fine.
intact.
All right.
One more thing, sir. That
Go
cross
ahead, ma'am.
is not registered. It is just put by our.
His personal cross.
It is
It is our
I am the
family
owner
cross.
of that cross.
Yeah.
Yeah, family cross. He'll tell about the cross.
Because when I was a small child, I was playing with a cross. So my mother said, "Let's
start with the prayer."
We started prayers there
Wooden
with
cross.
a wooden cross,
Okay.
and then we in 19 almost 76 or 80. I had gone abroad. So I said, I told his brother, Lancy De Silva, to make a good, nice cross there. Who he is expired, may he rest in peace. He constructed that cross there at that place. And from that day onwards, it's been there. We are every May we are saying prayers there and having
daily prayers also going on.
So,
Okay.
and none of the people came to ask who has done that cross and what. But there was we wanted to make a communal issue out of it. That is the time I went to the brother.
You sorted it out now.
Yeah,
right?
James, who is in Catholic Sabha. So that is the time I gave him the picture what had happened, and it was.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
It was
for
put
that.
in Singapore news also, that thing, that cross broken tilted by some Calvin or something. I got that cut out. even in one more.
They wanted to stop the thing by hooks or by crooks. भले कम्युनल हो कुछ भी हो
Now also they have
हम लोग मुस्लिम हमारे मुस्लिम लोग पे अत्याचार कर रहे हैं हम लोग वी आर इन द माइनॉरिटी आर कैथलिक्स not the Muslims.
full
I think
Catholics
so.
are full Catholic.
Catholics are the minorities and they are staying there. The people are staying there and the people in majority are Catholics here. That is why they are keeping quiet. Sir, I'm just telling you. That is why they are keeping because they are very peace-loving people. That's why they are keeping quiet. तुम्हारे जैसा रहता तो रोड पे चढ़ के वैसे ही बकेड़ा. Now people cannot move from there. You know the problem is that other people staying in the other area, they cannot move from that road. वो लोग रोड पर से जाने नहीं देता किसी को. No going from this road. Go from that road. So what is that? Because the press is supporting them. Because some NGOs are supporting them. It is not correct.
Support for the right. What am
Support for the right.
What you're sitting in the office and just take the distinct picture somebody send to Facebook and you observe the on the distinct place. The municipal garden they just dumped a place just to show that we don't have house. Encourage the garden, the children they have no play. I mean the whole month of May the children were playing outside. That is something cohesion or like and most of all I'll say order is from a high court. And that you went legally to still Supreme Court. And still you say nothing. Oh, you, whose order? God's order? Who was order? You don't believe in God also.